Another segment of a guy going in with no protection. He did not strap, he went in raw. Our guy Tony, a mother trucker himself, sent us these pictures on our messenger on the Asian My Show. You can send video pictures on the Asian My Show at gmail.com. Share your experiences of things happening, especially because it's wintertime right now. But here is an owner operator on a flatbed in Tacoma, Washington, and he did not strap. And guess what happened? He hits the brake on the highway, his goods fall on the ground. Now, DOT, if you were his boss, is he fired? Does he lose his CDL? What would you do? This is a serious offense, man. I'm not here to make this a segment, but dude, strap the hell up. It is so dangerous out here. The media puts us at a very bad light as it is. Be professional. Don't be stupid. Thanks, Tony, for sending this video, but, what are your guys' thoughts about this? What's going through a person's mind when they're thinking they're going to pick up a load and not strap it?